Sevyn the Sloth and the Playground Cleanup. Sevyn the Sloth loved playing on the playground, but lately it wasn't as fun as it used to be. Her feet brushed empty soda cans and wrappers as she swung, and litter was scattered everywhere. Someone should clean this up, Sevyn thought. She looked around the empty playground. Maybe that someone is me. The next day, Sevyn shared her idea with her friends. "What if we all work together to clean up the playground?" she asked. Bonnie clapped her hands. "That sounds like fun." Keiko smiled. "I'll bring gloves and trash bags." With the help of her friends, Sevyn made posters to invite everyone to the playground cleanup day. "The more people we have, the faster we can clean," she said. Soon, students all over the school were talking about it. On the big day, Sevyn was ready. "Thank you all for coming," she said. "Let's divide into teams. Some of us can pick up trash, others can sweep, and a few can rake the leaves." Everyone got to work. Bonnie swept leaves into a big pile, and Keiko tied up trash bags. "This is kind of fun," said one student as he picked up a soda can. "It feels good to help," said another. Sevyn worked alongside everyone, helping wherever she was needed. "You're doing a great job," she told a younger student who struggled to reach some litter under the slide. Together, they cleaned the spot. By the afternoon, the playground was spotless. "We did it," Sevyn said, grinning. Everyone cheered as they looked around at the clean, beautiful space they had created together. To make the playground even nicer, Sevyn and her friends planted flowers in a small garden. They added a sign that said, "Keep our playground beautiful." "This will remind everyone to take care of it," Sevyn said. That evening, Sevyn shared the day's success with her parents. "That's wonderful, Sevyn," said her mom. "We are so proud to have such a caring daughter," added her dad. "It isn't everyone who notices there's a problem and takes action to fix it." As Sevyn played on the shiny swing set the next morning, she felt proud. "We made a difference," she thought. The whole neighborhood enjoyed the clean playground, thanks to Sevyn and her friends' hard work and care. The end.